After 2 years of designing and prototyping, we're ready to introduce the Spry. A waterproof drone that floats like a boat, can briefly submerge underwater, then flip back to fly in the air at over 40 miles per hour. It's a combination of a racing quad and a photography drone with a robust waterproof body, and yes, the first ever waterproof remote control. The waterproof remote control has a built-in monitor that allows you to watch the live video stream and on-screen display information. The Spry can also send its video signal to several monitors simultaneously, so you can share your flying experience with your friends on the spot. The Spry's 4K camera tilts up and down to always point in the right direction during flight or while floating. This allows you to see what's underwater. Another cool feature is the expansion port that allows future accessories to be attached on the bottom and enhance the Spry's capabilities. You can turn the GPS on and off from the remote control to fly freestyle, or activate its advanced flight features like Follow Me, Object Orbit, and Return to Remote Control Location, so that if you're on a moving boat, the Spry will always come to where you are. If you're more into robotic flying, you can use the Spry's app to set up waypoints on the map and fly a designated path completely hands-free. The Spry is compact and comes with everything you need to fly the moment you get it: the carrying case, battery, remote, and charger.